of St. Peter's and Paul Prep. That was a lovely race. Heroic anchor leg from that athlete flying. Our
Yeah.
ladies of the Angel runner there over the last 20 meters. Starting
Yeah.
to show off with a bang.
Yeah, indeed. 55-20. Pretty nippy as well for St. Peter and Paul, as the schools now settle inside their blocks for the 4x100 meters primary schools under 10 boys event. Corneldy Avenue in 3, Nagahead in 4, Greater Portmore 5, and in 6, Spanish Town Primary. And set about their business. 4 will go in this one, even break, and Spanish Town Primary off to a flying start. And also traveling well is Corinaldi Avenue Primary in lane 3. But it's Spanish Town Primary who are leading up top in lane 6. Here comes Corinaldi Primary as well in lane 3. But way up top, it's Spanish Town Primary who are gunning. Another clean change from the little man to the big man. And here they go. Spanish Town Primary, they've led from start. And they've continued to lead. Corinaldi Avenue, though, are looking to attack, and they're in lane 3. Still Spanish Town Primary. Does Corinaldi Avenue have an answer for them? It's Spanish Town Primary. Corinaldi Avenue now closing. Spanish Town Primary, Corinaldi. Spanish Town Primary. They'll take this one ahead of Corinaldi Avenue.